Huge breakout is about to happen today, and the big question is then, is it a long or is it a short? So let's evaluate this. Let me show you what is happening right now, and let me give you an extra piece of information that a lot of you are not paying attention to. And I've noticed this by looking at the comments from previous video where you said, oh, Thomas, when everybody is expecting the market to dump, it will keep pumping. Now let me show you guys who are uneducated on how to actually check this, besides evaluating everything based on your opinion, by evaluating based on facts and numbers. So without any further ado, let's just jump straight into this. And the first thing I want to show you here is actually going to be how to analyze whether everybody is long or whether everyone is short. Because I told you before that when everybody is longing like crazy, this is when the market really wants to correct, and all the market makers want to kick people out. But before we come back to the chart, let me show you another chart. This is this right here. This is the amount of longs that right now there are in Bitcoin right now. It is it has been growing steadily. And now let's take a look at the shorts. And here are the shorts. So therefore, the market is predominantly long. So not everyone is expecting the price to actually go down. If everybody would be expecting the price to go down, it would actually have a large increase in short trades. Often, that's what it often shows us. So therefore, when we have so many longs and everybody's long, market does the opposite, exactly. So this is what we've been expecting for quite some time. But before we come back to the Bitcoin price chart, I'm going to show you the actual breakout that we possibly are going to be seeing very shortly, and how you can actually act on it and what you can actually do as a trader. Let me show you some other stuff, because it is more important, in my opinion, in terms of the narrative itself. So, and guys, you need to prepare for the trades, because I'm going to be announcing very big trades. So you need to be ready with your account set up on a good exchange that you can trust. And I personally trust either Bybit or BitGet. And with my exclusive links, just between us, with my exclusive links that you can find in the description of this video, with Bybit, for example, you can actually claim up to $30,000. With BitGet, you can claim up to $8,000. And with Bybit, also you get all these bonuses. And you also become part of my trading community, which is one of the most profitable trading communities in the world. And if you're gonna ask me like, what is better, Bybit or BitGet? BitGet simply doesn't require KYC in certain countries. So if you don't care about KYC, I'd go for Bybit. If you care about KYC, I would go with BitGet. But remember, sooner or later, there will be KYC everywhere. So yeah, anyway. And certainly you can actually, if you're either a Bybit or BitGet trader, and if you use my link to actually sign up, you can become a part of my trading community for absolutely free. And there is a link to my community down in the description of this video. And this is where we post all of my trades and the trades of my team, and we're doing exceptionally well. So with the trades, look, this is our trades right here that we've posted. Profits, all that take profits, incredible. And these are the trade results of our members. And this is all just posted by real people. And there's 40,000 traders inside, which is epic. Look at these results. So if you're not part of this community, I don't know what you're doing in trading. You're just wasting your fucking time. So stop being an idiot. Join us right now. So anyway, let's continue. This is what I really want you guys to understand. This is what a lot of people also told me about. Thomas, you're an idiot. CZ is in UAE. Ha 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 ha. Are you laughing now, motherfucker? Idiots. So anyway, right now, Binance chief CZ must stay in US after the guilty plea. So the judge actually ruled that he's supposed to stay in the United States, and he was in the United States, just as I told you, and he is facing up to 10 years in prison, as I told you, but most likely it's going to be 18 months maximum. There is a chance of it being a probation, whatever, yes, but there still is a risk for him to get up to 18 months in prison. In prison! So therefore, that's why they didn't let him out of United States, because if it would have been just a probation, who cares? They know that he might be going to jail. So that's the reason why they're not letting him out. I mean, put two and two together and listen to Mr. Thomas when he says something to you, okay? So next thing, which is incredible, which actually, contributes to the narrative right now, and that is this. Spot Bitcoin ETF in Brazil finds hefty demand. So even in Brazil, they actually already have spot. There are many countries with spot Bitcoin ETFs, and there are increasing demands on them. Slowly, steadily. And we've seen drying up of reserves on exchanges of Bitcoin. So this, when they actually are buying in actual physical Bitcoin, physical, cannot call it Bitcoin physical, but you know what I mean. So therefore, actual real spot Bitcoin, this is spelling huge potential. And what we're seeing right now is kind of bad, but the market, as you can see, didn't react to it, but at the same time, it is quite good. So what we're seeing right now is SEC actually delayed the decision like 30 days in advance on Hashdex and Franklin Bitcoin ETFs. Well, here it just shows Franklin, but also Hashdex. So, and this is kind of bad from one hand, but on the other hand, as the analysts are saying, it actually paves a clear runway for all Bitcoin ETF approvals in January. So if we're gonna read here, this is very interesting, that Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds in the United States now have a clear runway to potential simultaneous approvals after an advanced decision to delay the bids of blah, blah, blah. In November 28, Bloomberg analyst said that the United States SEC delays its decision on the applications 34 days earlier. And this is the whole point, 34 days earlier. If they want to delay and delay and delay, why would they delay something 34 days before the deadline? In my opinion, and this is what I agree with them here, is that they want to just get rid of it. Like just be finished, get everything sorted, approve it. Binance is out of the picture with CZ, so now they potentially have more control. Fine, have your spot Bitcoin ETF. This is what it looks like right now. And SEC actually, which is also a good point, SEC requested comments on forms by Franklin and Hashdex that are necessary for the ETFs to eventually be listed and start trading. So they requested comments. So also like public comments and this stuff. And the comment and rebuttal period will last for the 35 days. So this is very positive, very positive. And so for this reason, we're seeing so many longs and no shorts. So therefore the question is, I'm going to show you a breakout pattern right now. Should we be longing or should we be shorting? And here is my answer for you guys. So pattern wise, we see a beautiful squeeze. Look, and we're currently again sitting at 38,000. Beautiful, beautiful squeeze. And we're still at this level. Actually, look at how beautiful it is. It actually got rejected here, got supported by this level, well, arguably, and moved off. So people who are saying that, oh, you know, technical analysis doesn't work, if you idiots don't know how to use it, it's not our problem. It does work, and it made me millions over the last 10 years. Well, combination of technical analysis, macro analysis, on-chain analysis, etc. So what we are saying now is technically a preparation for a beautiful break. And certainly if we're gonna just do this stupid type of a measurement as to what this target could be for this breakout, then it would be something like this. So the target could be $42,000, the technical target. But let me be absolutely honest. I think that this would come to fruition and really would come in with some real volume if we would really see the approval of the Bitcoin ETF. We would see this huge hype very fast and actually maybe even surpass this target of 42,000. So if we just see a technical breakout here and confirmation with some volume, maybe even a retest, would I place a long trade with a target of 42,000? I think that the market is quite overheated. Honestly, you can if you want to take a trade, take the trade. I'm simply sharing what I'm saying. I really want to see the exhaustion. I really want to see those longs being liquidated because that's what the market does always, almost always, 90% of the time, because that's easy money for market makers, easy money. So here we need a combination between technicals and fundamentals, considering how much the price has already been stretched. And by the stretch, I mean, look at this. We went from here all the way to here with zero correction. So, and we still don't have the Bitcoin spot ETF to continue the narrative, to keep stretching it. That's why, unless we see it, I'm not going to be taking a leveraged long trade yet. So I'm going to keep you updated when I'm going to take it, but I'm not taking it yet. Am I taking a short trade right now? Well, seeing all of this, it is very dangerous, as I told you. So if you're taking some short trades, because we also, if you would tell me in the comments, Thomas, you're standing at a beautiful resistance that it actually makes good sense to short from, I would agree with you. I would absolutely agree with you, because here, look, beautiful short, possibly beautiful short again, and you could be right. But at the same time, if any moment, anything from SEC comes out, that would be the end of it. You would get liquidated or you would be stopped out, whatever. So this is highly risky. Right now, we are at crossroads. That's why we have this narrowing of volatility, a positive type of narrowing of volatility. So therefore, I'm going to keep you guys updated. Stay strong. If you want to see all the smallest trades that we're taking, that's fine. Go join our community, become part of, link to it down in the description of this video. It says VIP signal section, signals, and also join Bybit, which is, or BitGet, using my link so that you can actually come into this community, put it into the bot, your UID, and it will let you in automatically. The instruction is in the community, and this is where we take all the smallest trades, and we make very good money, so we're not waiting for anything to happen. But on a bigger type of a trade, type of a narrative, I'm gonna keep you posted here on YouTube. And as always, check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. You will learn a lot, even if you think you're a genius trader. And as always, peace and love, time, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!